Hello everybody, I am NicoD. Yeah, so I've received this package today and we are gonna open it. I already know what's inside because I can read through it, but I don't mind, so I'm waiting for two packages. So I'm waiting for the metal case for the Orange Pi 5 Plus and also 256GB eMMC for it. And I was also waiting for this, so this is an X86 SBC. So we are gonna open it together. So I was working on some other stuff, like for example I was working with the Vim 4 and with the Mechatronics A58, and with my smartphone I was trying to make a video about using Android only, but I hate Android so much, so I'm happy I can do something else. So let's open this. I've got my Edward Scissorhand here, and then let's boot it for the first time. I don't know if anything is installed, but it is x86, so no problem, or it should be no problem for software. You can use whatever you want. That will be nice. Okay. So here it is. Youyeetoo. So Youyeetoo X1 SBC. So this looks pretty nice. So this is like the Latte Panda, but it is cheaper than the Latte Panda. It should be a rather good CPU. So it's an Intel CPU, Intel Celeron 11th Gen Jasper Lake N5105 GPU, VPU, NPU. There's an NPU. So Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5, Wi-Fi 6 support, and Bluetooth Gigabit Ethernet. So support for Windows or Linux. 4 times USB 2, 2 times USB 3, SATA 3.0, M.2 NVMe, HDMI, micro HDMI, MIPI. So yeah, this looks pretty nice. Let's try to open it like this. Let's first take this away so you can see what I am doing. I really like how this looks. I like this bunny. Here it is. So that looks nice. I don't know what all the connectors are for. Probably USB, maybe speakers somewhere. No, I don't know what it is. All serial probably. And so let's take a look. Here we've got, oh, I cannot see anything without my magnifying lens. This is SATA. This is LCD TP touch panel LCD. So here we've got M.2. Here we have got, is that M.2? No, that's mini PCIe. Let's check it. No, that's M.2. That's, it's a normal M.2. No, it's SATA. I don't have anything for that, but I do have this one for here. So this is a normal M.2 220, I don't know. This is another one. I wish this was the same port as this, but well. So what else do we have? There's a connector over here, I don't know for what. So let's turn it around. Let me take my magnifying lens. No, it's not written on it for what all these connectors are, but it really looks nice. So here, power, LEDs, full-sized HDMI, audio jack, probably a power button. This one is for a microphone. This one is for RTC, real-time clock. LEDs, oh, it is written on here what all those are. So this one is for LEDs, so you can put it in a case and have the LEDs working. Then ground. I think the second one is UART. No, USB. So this one is USB, this one is USB, USB 2, UART, UART, Y2C, SPI, what? SPI, and GPIO. Okay, so what else? So there's one here, I don't know what's that for. This one is for extra power, so if you want to power it with that. And then the other one, I don't know. So 2 times USB 3, 2 times USB 2. And it also has got these USB ports that you could expand. Gigabit Ethernet. I think it's a bit a shame it's only Gigabit Ethernet. I really want 2.5 gigabits to be default. So it has got a micro SD port. Here, micro HDMI. I really do not like this connector. And another button. And we are round. So that is that. Let's put this here. Here we've got our PSU. Oh, no European plug. I do have some adapters for it. So I've got a plug for it. I've got a hair in my mouth. So it is 12 volts, 3 amps, so 36 watts. Can you see it? So that should be more than enough. Okay, so now we have got the SBC, so X86 SBC, the PSU. There is something left in this box. Maybe it's just filler, maybe not. So let's put this in here. So what's in here? Let's take a look. There is something in there. It is empty. So Youyeetoo MIPI LCD. I didn't ask for this, so thank you. This looks like, oh, this is Wi-Fi for here. Yes, that's cool. Oh, I've got my special Wi-Fi. This looks like it is for a case, I don't know. So other antennas for on the Wi-Fi. That's nice. I don't have any of these, so I can use it very well. And what's left here? A ribbon cable. So this probably fits. Is it in here? Yes. So this probably fits in here like this, I think. Am I showing it right? Yep. So this one in there. And then let's take a look. Okay. I've given away my 7-inch display to kids. So I've got a new 7-inch display. What would that be for? I don't know. So this is just a normal 7-inch display. Oh, I don't know what all those things are for. Oh, now I see. So this is to put on the back to protect the electronics. So here the ribbon cable probably in here. Yes. Oh well, you know what I mean. Yeah, I got it. So like this. Yeah, so this is the display. I will review this together with the board when I review it. This is no review video. Then we have got some jumper cables. Oh, I think this will be for touch. And the other ribbon for a MIPI DSI. So I will look at this later. Let's first try the X1. Thank you, Youyeetoo. Let's try to boot this. I've got my display here. Let's put it over here so you can see it. I'm gonna record it with my capture device. So I don't know if there's anything installed on this board, but we will quickly see. Might be Windows is installed, might not be. I don't know. Oh, now it works. So let's start recording. I've got a stick here with Ambient installed. It is an old version of Ambient, but that shouldn't matter. So put this in here. Boot. Windows Boot Manager. So Windows is installed. There's Windows Boot Manager. So save and exit boot. Numlock on. Very important. Seems Windows should be installed. So let's do that. And it should be booting into Windows. But my capture device doesn't want to work. Okay. Bit initialize library failed. So let's plug in this and then F7. Windows boot manager, but wow. Add boot Ambient. I want a cigarette. There is Ambient on Youyeetoo. Here we are in Ambient. Where is my desktop? Where is my desktop? So now I've got the X1 for a few days. I installed Windows 11 on the eMMC. Here you see it. It runs pretty nice. Windows is stable. Windows works pretty well. The CPU is nice. The best x86 SBC that I had was the Rockpi X. And that is a slow potato. This is a lot faster. This does about 2.7 GHz on all cores. It can do up to 3 GHz on a single core. It has a TDP of 10 watts, 10 nanometer process. So I am preparing to make the review video. I will be using this for a week now to use it as a main desktop to see if there are any quirks. For now I am happy with it. It isn't as powerful as my RK3588, but it is x86, so a lot more software works on it. So this is ideal to replace an old server. It is that powerful, but it can do a lot of things. The only thing I wished was that there was 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, but for the rest I really like this board. So the review in a week or so. So thank you all for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you all later. Bye.